Today we're going to be talking about the life cycle of Plasmodium, and first we begin the life cycle. So the first is we will talk about the first part is the asexual phase in man. Man is the intermediate phase while the mosquito is the definitive phase. Intermediate phase because man will host the larvae form of the parasite while in the sexual phase or the mature phases of the parasite will be developed in the host, in the mosquito. Okay, especially the female another which is the vector. The first one will begin the infected mosquito bites human sporozoite, migrates through the bloodstream to liver of the human. And we'll move to the second, where we talk about the sporozoite undergoes schizophrenia in the liver cells. Merozoites are produced. So when schizophrenia is undergone in the liver cells, merozoites are produced. And the third phase is the merozoites is released into the bloodstream, from the liver and may infect new red blood cells. This is typical of Plasmodium falciparum and Plasmodium malariae. They don't cause relapses. Therefore, Plasmodium ovale and Plasmodium fever, they may reinvade other liver cells, causing what we call relapses. We move to the fourth, where the merozoites will develop into a ring stage in red blood cells. We are taking the case where all the merozoites, for example, in the case of Plasmodium falciparum, infect just the red blood cells. So all the merozoites will develop into a ring stage in red blood cells, and you can see the ring stage. You can see the ring stage is what we're talking about. Okay. We move to the next. The fifth. The ring stage grows and divides, producing merozoites, more merozoites, and there will be differentiation. So the merozoites are released when red blood cells fracture. So merozoites will infect new red blood cells, and some will develop into male and female gametocytes. So there will be differentiation between male and female gametocytes. Now this will be taken in by the mosquito. So another mosquito will bite the infected humans and ingest the gametocytes. Now we're entering the sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction will continue in the mosquito. And the next stage we will talk about in the mosquito digestive tract. The gametocytes will unite to form zygote, what we call the okimen. And this okimen, so you can see the male and female gametocytes will develop into male and female gametes, where other will fuse to form a zygote, and this zygote is called the okimen. And it would later develop resulting sporozoites to migrate to the salivary glands of mosquito. The sporozoites in the salivary glands, the sporozoites will be found in the salivary glands, and the cycle will continue over and over again. Now, to put more light, these openings which will later penetrate the walls of the stomach to develop into spherical cysts, what spherical cysts, what we call oases, which be formed between the epithelium and the basement membrane. The oasis increase in size. Thousands of sporozoites develop inside the oasis. Yes, before we talk about, and there will be a rupture and there will be migration of the sporozoites, so sporozoites to develop, and there will be migration to the salivary gland. Thank you for the brief.